So this is SP71770 going the other way, and SP7178-03 going the other way. North to south? We've done south to north.
We did south to north, this is north to south.
See if you can catch again.
Will do.
Parking sensors, you said you're getting close.
Oh. I'm using a slightly different line this time. I hope I don't regret it.
You can probably take your feet off the pedals.
Maybe. My foot's barely on the throttle, to be fair. It's kind of hovering above it. So I'm
guessing the hill descent would take you down.
Maybe. I was going to say, I'm not really touching the throttle particularly.
Oh no, because it's not on.
Yeah, but it's not that much of a hill.
There you go. You're welcome.
Does it work on that little of a hill?
Yeah, because if you take your feet off the pedals...
My foot is off the pedal.
Yeah, it'll just take you down.
Oh.
I don't know if you have to use the brake pedal to kind of let it know, but you let the car do the work.
Cool.
Then use the plus and minus to adjust your speed. There you go.
I don't know if that was the hill descent or the fact it was dragging.
Nah, I'm pretty sure that was the hill descent or the ABS. It is fascinating how Google Maps says that like, you can use this road. I'd love to see a smart car go, okay then, I'll turn left down here.
Or like if I was at work, like in the van.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, okay, sure.
Yeah, sure, why not?
I feel like sometimes Google does say that, to be fair.
How tempting is it to look at these offcuts?
Yeah.
Not that we would,
No.
but it always looks very tempting, and I'm sure the odd person
God, yeah.
has done it.
If we did that, there'd be a farmer.
Yeah. Or there'd be just police or like one of the rural
random
crime peoples on motorbikes training. And you're like, oh, hi.
Yeah. But you're doing, huh?
We took wrong turn then.
Sat nav said go this way.
Yeah. Because obviously that's a legal get out in any case. It's when we meet that dog walker coming this way as well.
Yeah.
Like, are you lost? Yes, we are. Trundling around the countryside.
Countryside, indeed.
Sure you don't want any blackberries yet?
You want me to dop?
Do you want me to dop?
Don't make that dop. I can dop, you can get a blackberry. I don't think there's many of them though.
Can't you? Just send back on.
Oh, there's some just there.
Told you.
Let's stop.
Oh, you stop on. Am I getting them?
Well, we'll both get out.
Well happy.
That one from now. Snack stop complete.
That's lunch sorted. Healthy. See,
Free food.
We're proper country people
Country
now.
PayPal. I saw someone the other day picking blackberries off of a blackberry bush at the side of, I can't remember what it was, but it was on the main roads. It's like, would that not just taste like pollution?
By the way, who's that person that lives off the land all the time?
Lives off the land?
Yeah, that like...
I just had Guy Martin come into my head, but that's definitely not right.
No, that person that literally like...
I don't know.
His name escapes me. The one that does all the survival stuff.
Oh, Bear Grylls.
Bear Grylls. We're literally Bear Grylls
We
now.
are literally Bear Grylls.
In our 4x4, we're literally living off the land.
Yeah, we are.
With our Costa drinks. Because obviously Bear Grylls always goes into the jungle with Costa.
Who wouldn't? I would.
Make sure your hair don't blow out of place.
Exactly. Need to look beautiful for the blackberries. Where are the good ones?
So there's loads along here.
Yeah. There's a lot of, I think it might be a bit early for some of them, because some of them don't look quite ripe yet.
But like strawberries, you pick them when they're ripe, because all the others will then get the energy. So technically we're offering them a service.
We are.
Because we're picking the right ones and eating them.
That's a very good point.
So at least then the others get a chance in life.
That's true. You slept quietly, that's quite loud.
Unfortunately not.
Okay.
What am I going to do? Disturb the birds?
Disturbing me?
You're always disturbed. You're permanently disturbed.
Yeah, that's true. them bales of hay are quite satisfying.
Should we offer him a hand?
Offer him a hand.
Yeah, we'll chuck a few on the roof.
Yeah, why not?
Couple in the boot.
Yeah, bale transportation.
Exactly.
Couple in the boot. Stick with the passenger seat, you can get out and walk.
One on the back seat.
Sounds good.
I like that tarpaulin or something that
I know.
was on the top
It
of
looks like it was a sign for something, doesn't it?
Yeah, don't come onto my land.
Yeah.
Leave my land alone.
Trespassers will be eaten.
By the way, do you think that other bit to that left-hand side, like, is all byway as well?
No.
Or do we get the use of just this bit?
Just this bit.
Like, is that the farmer's bit
That's
as well?
the farmer's bit. I think there's something planted in this field.
Was.
It's like, why are they not planted anything now?
Well, I think it goes through a process.
Bugger, that's boring, isn't
But we know because we're country people.
it? Totally. Speak for yourself.
So we'll go over the mound.
No.
There might be a big ditch in it. I think there is.
Yeah, it looks like that.
That'd be interesting.
I don't think I'd want to hit that, just in case.
Well, I don't think it would have been too bad.
Knowing my luck.
It only got stuck a little bit. It's alright, we've got our skateboards.
Totally.
How's your steering?
It's a little bit jiggery, I must admit.
By the way, Nana,
Pardon me.
thumbs outside the steering wheel, please.
I don't think I'm
We're
going to...
off-roading.
Is that a bird?
That is a bird.
Are you okay?
That is sheepo.
Oh, you're moving your head. I thought you were dead.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay. As you are.
Thumbs outside the steering
Doing a
wheel, please.
sploosh.
Thumbs outside the steering wheel, please.
Jesus.
Jesus.
I did a sploosh.
Yeah, we're doing off-roading.
Because I did a sploosh.
And hold with two hands. Jesus.
Not really, no.
What do you think you're doing, cruising on the motorway?
Yes, I am. That's quite a sharp stone.
Little butt.
Let's not hit that one.
Yeah, you studied the stones.
We'll do.
Look, you can see your tyre tracks.
So irresponsible.
Not as bad as them tyre
I think
tracks.
a farmer might have been down there with them big trucks.
I almost hope so, otherwise the lorries got lost.
Oh God, could you imagine? Yeah, they were following Google Maps.
Exactly. And left at the next opportunity. Bub. Put your Hilda set on.
Fine.
Just in case that dog walker comes the other way.
The dogger.
Dog walker.
Oh, the walker.
Not ready? Your hair up.
It's the noise it makes. It doesn't sound pretty, does it?
No. I was going to say, nowadays they'd have to make it sound nice.
Is it that one?
Yeah.
Oh, not really enough of a hill anymore.
Well, to be fair, I think in the manual it alters it by like such small amounts. I don't think it's like 1 mile an hour click. I think it's like half a mile an hour. Could be wrong.
Muddy sploosh.
Muddy sploosh.
Making the most of the splooshes I can get.
Exactly.
Imagine farming that field. Like how hilly that is.
You wouldn't want to do it in the wet. You'd probably slide all the way
I was
down.
going to say, wouldn't you tractor? Like, you'd need good like,
Good tractor.
You need good tractoring.
Yeah. You need good tractor.
Yeah.
Not bad tractor.
No, not bad tractor.
Can you imagine if someone flew around the other way, like you were flying around, like it's some sort of motorway?
I wasn't flying around. Jesus.
So irresponsible.
Yes, you are.
It's gone dark. Can't see anything.
Well,
Oh.
can't hear you. Oh.
Oh. Green giant.
That looks like that'd be a good tree to climb.
Yeah. Do you want to climb a tree?
No, I'll probably fall.
Let's go climb
You'd
a
have
tree.
to like lift me into the car because I'll have broken my leg.
Little bit, but at least then I can carry on the driver.
Just leave me to suffer.
Exactly.
I can imagine it.
Do you think the car's going to appreciate some cool air?
No,
Okay.
it likes the 4x4 life.
Poppy poppy.
It makes a good noise, doesn't it?
Don't know.
Oh no, boring, there's the road.
I'll remind you of that when it's flat.
Or the road.
Yeah, obviously.
Imagine living there. I've like got a little horse area or a dog area.
They'll be confused why there's people going up and down their lane.
Am I going right?
You are going right.
Cool.